Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to deploy a React.js project on Netlify. So Netlify is a hosting platform, so we will host our React.js app fully free on Netlify. So I have a React.js app here. So it's a simple counter app. So if I open up terminal and just type in npm start and start a local host server, so it will automatically open a browser, and then you can see it's a simple counter app. When I click on increment, it increases. When I click on decrement, it decreases. And when I click on reset, it resets to 0. So this is a simple app. So now what we will do is first deploy this whole code to GitHub, and then from GitHub we will deploy that to Netlify. So for that I'll go to GitHub and create a new repository called as demo react.js app, and then I'll keep this repository private. You can keep it public, it's your wish, but I'm keeping this private. And I'm going to click on create repository, and what now I'll do is I'll open up the terminal in VS Code and just type in git init. So I'm initializing a git repository, and then I will add all the files, git add dot, and then git commit m. So our commit message would be first commit, and then we will change the branch to main, and then git remote origin main, git git remote origin main, and then we will copy this repository link, git remote add origin main, and we'll paste this. No, not main, we'll just wait, git remote add origin, yeah, and then we'll type in git push, and when this error comes or this message comes, just type in git push set upstream origin main. So now this whole code will get pushed to GitHub, and when I reload this page, you can see the whole code is here. So now what we will do is we'll go to app.netlify.com/start, and then we'll click on GitHub. So now it's asking me to verify or authorize, so my account is already authorized. And now what I'll do is I'll search the repository. So the repository name is demo react.js app. So this is the one. Our project name would be same, coded react coded demo react.js. So this would be our URL, and we have to choose the branch. So our branch is main, and the build command is npm run build, and the publish directory would be build. And if there are any environment variables, then you can import it from a env file, or we can add key value pairs. So you have to just click on deploy coded demo react.js, and then the production will start. So the production is right now main @head, which is the latest commit in the main branch. So it's deploying. And if I reload this page on GitHub, you can see the whole code, and you can also see the commit which we made, first commit. And I'll also reload the Netlify page. Okay, it's still deploying. We'll see the deploy logs. Okay, yeah, so it's done with the deploy. And if we go to this URL, you can see coded demo react.js.netlify.app. So it's a fully functioning app. So this is how you deploy your React.js project. So what we first do is we write our whole code in VS Code and then we deploy it to GitHub. So we first deploy the code to GitHub in a repository, and then we connect a GitHub account to Netlify account, and then we choose the repository which we want to host, and then once we choose it, we add our environment variables if there are any, and if there are no environment variables, you have to just click on the deploy button, then it deploys. And whenever you make changes in this repository, whenever you push some new code, make a new commit, it detects the Netlify automatically detects it, and then it creates a new production build. So this is how you deploy a React.js app on Netlify. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like this kind of content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.